Now to that looming court decision in Lower Manhattan today. A federal judge will decide whether to drop the corruption case against Mayor Eric Adams.
This comes after the Justice Department said it was dropping the case not on the merit, but because it interfered with Trump's crackdown on immigration. Several prosecutors resigned as a result. Now,
the decision has also led to the resignation this week of 4 of Adams' deputy mayors. And today, another protest outside Governor Kathy Hochul's office calling for her to remove Adams from office. Eyewitness News reporter Darla Miles live in Lower Manhattan with the latest. Darla?
Sandra and Dave, attorneys for Mayor Eric Adams and federal prosecutors have been called to federal court this afternoon to explain themselves. Judge Ho would like to know why Mayor Adams consented to delaying these charges until after the November election, and this is unlikely to be a rubber stamp on the dismissal. It's the motion acting U.S. Attorney Danielle Sassone refused to file on behalf of the DOJ, prompting her to resign in protest, followed by 6 other federal prosecutors. Wednesday afternoon, a federal judge will hear arguments about last week's directive to the Southern District to dismiss the bribery and fraud charges against Mayor Eric Adams as soon as practicable. A 2-page order from federal Judge Dale Ho writes, the DOJ must have substantial factual information supporting the recommendation, and that the court must be satisfied the reasons are substantial, starting a firestorm of criticism that Mayor Eric Adams struck a deal with the Trump administration in order to enforce his immigration policies. Monday, 4 deputy mayors also resigning in protest. But attorneys for the mayor firing back, writing, we told the department that ending the case would lift a legal and practical burden that impeded the mayor in his official duties. Going on to say, what we never said or suggested to anyone was that Mayor Adams would do X in exchange for Y, and no one said or suggested to us that they would do Y in exchange for X. Now, those arguments are set for 2 o'clock this afternoon. It is unclear whether or not Judge Ho will issue an order and decision today. Meanwhile, across town at the governor's office on the east side, she continues to hold meetings with stakeholders about the future and stability of New York City. Reporting live in Lower Manhattan, Darla Miles, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.